Hello, Castle teachers. This is Dawn. I wanted to walk you through setting up the AR goals for your classroom for your students. First thing you want to do is go to our website. Once you're on our website, you will go to Renaissance Place. Once you're inside Renaissance, you will click on the Accelerated Reader tab and click on Record Books and Goals. Once you're in this screen, you will select Reading Practice Goals. Once you're in this site, you will find your name in the drop-down menu. I'm going to just do Mr. Sniffins for the time being. First thing you need to do, well, it looks like he has already set up his, but if this is the first time you are doing yours, you do need to select a marking period. So you would click here. All the different quarters are set up automatically for you. You just need to select the one that you were setting up your AR goal for. So he's obviously chosen first quarter, so that's done. Once you do that, you hit save. So he is in his first quarter, which is exactly right. And then it looks like he has set up his daily reading time is 25 minutes. You can go by your STAR testing. You can set it up for 20 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever you want. Or you can actually go in and set up the goals individually. I would say with our primary friends, it's probably better to go in and set up like a class goal. You could set it up for, like, for example, 5 points is your AR goal for the first quarter. And then you would just go through each student and put your goal right here as 5.0 and then straight down the list. And once that is set, don't forget to hit your save, because if you don't, everything that you've just done is for nothing. Once that happens, your students will have their AR goals set, and then I can go in and run tests, run reports and make sure that they are keeping up with their AR. I am this year going to be giving out special certificates and little prizes for my friends that are keeping up with their AR goal and taking their tests. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop by the library and I can help you at any time with this process. Thanks again for listening. Have a good one.